Yo, so I know a lot of you guys are probably looking at this and are just like, what the fuck is going on? So I'm gonna break it down for you guys. Well, I'm not exactly some Wall Street hedge fund guy or anything, but I've been tracking Wall Street bets for a while now, and I know I've been watching GameStop, and it's been a crazy play. So what I kind of wanted to touch on is Deep fucking Values post, right? So I'm gonna show you how this guy took approximately $55,000 and turned it into, on paper right now because he hasn't cashed out yet, 46 million. So let's take a look. um this is crazy. But if you look right here, he's been in it for a very long time, and if we start back, he's been just posting updates for a while and a while and a while and a while and a while. So we start from the very beginning. As you can see, it was going up and down and up and down. These are his GameStop January 15th, 21 calls. Crazy, right? So as you can see here, he was at around, I think he put in around 55, and he's been 117, 230, 83, 112. So he'd already doubled. And a normal person like us, we would have just pulled out. But him, he I think he did pull out some on paper. Or no, he just pulled some out in general. I believe a couple mil, or maybe 770K. That's where I read somewhere. But he's been planning this out for a long time. As you see, he's been in since like 9 months ago. So he got to 215, 146, back down to 121, 112, 612, 823K. All of these are in thousands, by the way. 973. These are normal points where people like us, we would just pull out and just be like, yo, like this is good. Like we got like 10 times returns. But this man, diamond hands, all in. So now I don't recommend any of these plays to you guys. But honestly, if you want to YOLO. I'm not a financial advisor. So do your own due diligence and everything. But screw Melvin Capital. So any of you guys that are in WSB will know what that is. But yeah, as you can see, 2.2, 2.6, 1.2, 1.3. They call it Gamecock. And he's just been going on and going on. He got to a miller out here, 2.3. And then we get to December 9th. And this is where she starts to like slowly pick up and go crazy right before the January part. So December 22nd, he's at around 3.4 mil. Then we go to 3.7, then to 3.6, then to 3.1, 2.8, 3.1 again. And then we get to January 13th. Now, 5.7, 7.3, 7.3, 7.3, 11. And at this point, I think he probably canceled his January 15, 21s, or not canceled, but like he had them expire, or maybe he sold his options and got the money out of them. Not entirely too sure how options work. That's why I don't really touch that that stuff, but I'm sure I'll look into it and make some videos on it. But then he went from 11 mil to 13 to 22. To 47, back down to 33, which probably was the day where all of the like brokerages and stuff were not allowing people to buy it back into GameStop. I believe if you were holding, you could hold. If you sold, you couldn't buy back in. Like Robinhood, TD, I got a notification about AMC and Bed Bath and Beyond, I believe, and GameStop. Those are three. And then we go back from the 28th and we go to the 29th, which is today, which is 46 mil. And as you can see, his total cost basis is right here is 754K. So this is a crazy play. I'm going to keep tracking it and making videos on it, and I'll keep you guys posted on the next plays that are going to come. I know I usually only do dividend stocks. So again, don't put money that you're not willing to lose in these plays. But if you can, I would say do 1 to 5% in risky plays, like this. If you lose, it's 5%. If you don't lose, then you make a fuck ton of money. So that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys see this crazy shit. 55,000 to 46 mil. Crazy, just completely ridiculous gains. 155,000% on one of his options, his April 16th $12 call. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and fuck Melvin Capital. Peace out, guys.